headlines we've been tracking for you this evening. AI-driven dermatology platform Cureskin that provides skin and hair care solutions has raised Series B funding of $20 million. The round was led by digital health-focused venture capital fund Health Quad, along with existing investors JSW Ventures, Khosla Ventures and Sharp Ventures. To talk to us about the road ahead, joining me now is Cureskin's co-founder and CEO, Guna Kakulapati. Guna, welcome to Startup Street. The domestic market is flooded with many beauty and personal care brands. How does Cureskin differentiate, Guna? And also, if you could take us through your offerings and the market you're targeting.
Great. Thank you. Thank you for having me here. Yes, the space is crowded with a lot of brands, and we don't think the world needs yet another D2C skincare brand. What we offer is actually not a bunch of products, but a program that is dermatologist prescribed, continuously monitored. So we provide an app, not where customers come in, they have to take their photo. We provide a skin assessment or hair assessment based on the photographs that are provided, understand their condition, and our in-house dermatologist would prescribe solutions that are highly efficacious. And also because skin is not just, conditions are not just skin deep, also require internal corrections around nutrition, diet, sleep, etc. We guide them through this entire journey to get the outcomes that they are looking for. So it's a very different approach for a large market.
Sure. Guna, if you could elaborate on how you're leveraging AI to provide skin and hair care solutions, if you could explain, giving us some use cases.
Yes. So mainly we use AI to detect the types of lesions that we see on skin. Like, for example, the different grades of acne, is it like inflamed, non-inflamed, different types of pigmentation, and so on. So this is initially just an assessment that we provide. And when they kind of go ahead and purchase the program, then we connect them to our in-house doctor, will provide their view of the problem, and we deliver them the solution that is required along with the supervision with monthly follow-ups that are required.
Okay.
AI also provides the assist the doctor in by making them more effective.
All right, let's now quickly get to the fundraise. Guna, how do you plan to allocate the money? What are the focus areas going forward?
Yeah, so further investment in technology to understand newer conditions through our AI, and also brand development to build more awareness.
Okay, those are the two big focus areas. We'll delve deeper a little later, but first, if you could take us through Cureskin's reach. How many customers have you treated so far, your top-selling offerings, and where can one buy your solutions, or is it only through your website and through your recommendations?
Yes, so cumulatively, we have treated over 15 lakh customers for various skin and hair conditions all over India. And also, we don't look at products as top selling. It's more about top conditions for us because the solution is very personalized. We mainly treat post-acne, acne, hair loss, pigmentation, and so on. All our revenue is through our app, not even the website, but they have to go through the app, they have to go through the journey, and then they get prescribed their personalized solution.
Okay. Speaking of revenues, if you could give us a sense of your revenue model, and also if you could take us through the current business growth numbers, what is the road to profitability looking like as well?
Great. So over 80% of our customers are from tier 2, tier 3, and the entire revenue we get is through our mobile app. We've had triple-digit growth over the last few years, and we intend to continue that momentum even as we scale. We have high gross margin, so the unit economics are positive, and we are approaching profitability as we scale.
Okay, you're approaching profitability as you scale. But if you could take me through your future revenue growth targets and expansion plans. You mentioned that you're in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Where do you plan to go? Do you want to come to the metros or further go deep into Bharat?
Yeah. So the total addressable market, we believe, is close to 200 million people, out of which we have had like 1.5 million, which is 15 lakh customers. So there's a lot of open space for us. We want to double down on our core markets, which is tier 2, tier 3, but also expand into tier 1 and metros.
Okay. Guna, if you could also speak to us about some of the new trends that you're seeing in the sector that you're operating in. What are people looking for? What are people asking you for?
Yes. So the customer is definitely more aware, and is more actively looking for solutions compared to probably any time before. While there are a lot of trends, we don't specifically follow the trends. We are mainly very customer focused, and what customers have wanted has always remained same, which is about outcome, efficacy. And now there is a very new approach to essentially delivering that rather than off-the-shelf products to get personalized specialist care and deliver what they are looking for.
All right, before I let you go, one quick question. Like we discussed, the market is flooded with many beauty and personal care brands. But how do you plan to make Cureskin a household name? What's your marketing strategy going forward?
Yes. So marketing, we have always marketed our app, and we don't market any specific or a set of products. And our whole offering is been that people have to go through the app journey and come through the app for us to deliver the looking for efficacy rather than off-the-shelf products.
All right, Guna, wish you the very best of luck for all your growth and expansion plans. Many thanks for joining us on Startup Street today.
Thank you for having me.
Right, Shruti. So from one fundraise to another, the Ayurveda Experience, a direct-to-consumer startup focused on Ayurvedic products and services, backed $27 million.